What are we, Wayne? That we picked.
What's Saturday? We pissed. It's bullshit.
We fucking pissed. Just left the dealership Tuesday, literally.
What kind of backdoor shenanigans?
Oh, I like.
I got them looking like terrorists. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
He caked up on this phone. Look, cheesed out. Cheesed out on the phone. Come on. Come on. I got your Skittles.
So it's for Daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Your daddy's over here. Once again, look at them shirts. Yeah, Baba. I like that shirt.
She don't know what to get us up
Jay, AJ, come out here. Don't go on that street. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come here. Yeah. Grab his hands, because I don't trust him. I don't trust him. I'm right here. Say a whole lot of cuss shit.
Don't teach him that.
Say cuss shit.
No.
He ain't gonna say it.
Good.
And then we're back here doing crawfish. I got your Skittles. Man, look at that whole line up on the block, though. So I had to leave the meat to go run and get some silicone to make the louvers stick down more. So when I do fly and play with you niggas, my shit would stay on. It wouldn't come off. So louvers came back in from City Customs. I got them custom wrapped and the honeycomb wrapping that's all around my car. I'm getting that put on today by the NOLA Head Turners president, Sam. They need to fix this goddamn parking lot. They got so many potholes in this fucking parking lot at Home Depot on Stump. It's ridiculous. Man, look at that motherfucking shit. I don't know which one. They got all type of shit. Just leaving Home Depot and I got the silicones, 100% waterproof. That's gonna help the louvers stick down and it's gonna go along with the 3M tape that also came with the louvers. So it's just to give it that extra stick so when I do fly, you know, my stuff don't fly off. So let's get to it. Let me see him, Alex.
Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy.
Oh. That fresh and stuff, huh, Sam? Got the press out here in his good clothes. His good clothes helping me, y'all. He's so sweet. He's so sweet.
feel like a bird. I ain't bullshit, dog. I ain't bullshit, man. This bitch fuck around and fly off on the interstate. Listen, I always say that my shit fly off, bitch, I'm gonna keep going.
Fuck that, I'm getting my shit, you tripping.
By the time you get to that shit, gonna be 37 calls.
People sitting there waiting for you.
Trying to flag you down. Hey, hey! They fall off 2 miles back.
And then look, it took 2 miles for to catch you to say it.
Bitch, I'm a master fuck.
Gotta make sure they don't get the license plate.
Y'all gonna have me on fucking Instagram, not coming around.
Hold on, wait. Sun out. When you put them on,
Oh shit,
make sure the trunk is open. All right? You listening?
I do like that honeycomb shit, bro.
He putting your louvers on for you? He putting your louvers on?
Hey, say camera, look. Make sure when you put them on, the trunk can open.
These two.
This man gave me GE appliance silicone.
Oh shit, that motherfucker ain't coming off that window at all, man.
Some Chinese bonds.
That came with it, bitch.
Yeah, man.
I ain't not touching them bitches.
Let me see. And they wrap so nicely too.
There you go, put them on. Come on, go ahead, do what you do.
They have the most high confidence in Sam. I wouldn't have chose him to do this if I didn't.
All right, so.
Gotcha.
Whoa.
Wait, muscle man.
That's a big scratch right Yeah, she's cold though, man, with that wrap on it like that.
I'm good.
Hey, just set it down. It's not like
That trunk gonna hit. Come up.
pull it up.
Yeah, you gotta do a markup.
Just sit it down.
You got
the
the
top?
keys to pop the trunk just to make sure before they stick that thing on there?
Right there.
She don't need that little underpiece.
Underpiece.
You pop
Yeah,
that
right
trunk
here.
just to make sure
She
though.
got it.
Why Stephen come over here causing issues?
Always issues.
Issues.
Why you screwing down?
Ray is tall as shit.
China man ain't working out right.
Look at Ray next to that
Behind the
tree.
rear view.
Ray is tall as shit.
That one came on.
Tall
already on there?
Tall as shit, Ray.
My heels.
We probably wear a size 20 shoe.
No, just a 14.
Like just a 14, something light. You drinking on the job?
I drank me a 6-pack on the way here. I got caught in traffic.
Lord Jesus.
That's why I had to go find some more.
Silicone on it.
It won't stay.
That bitch can keep moving. This one here, that one ain't doing nothing. Did y'all clean the window?
Yes, bitch. You keep asking that same stupid
What y'all cleaned it with?
question.
What y'all cleaned it with?
Your fucking window.
He looking at it like it ain't mine.
So you use all my life windows.
It's on there now.
3 hours later.
Safe, right?
Want to Sam, but Sam said full on her.
2 hours, y'all still fucking did. Look at all the fucking. Ooh. Who did that? Boy, you can tell it's not your fucking daily fucking hobby, routine, job. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm about to tackle the living piss out of you.
What is it? What is it?
Sam said this shit ain't never coming off. Ever.
Come over here.
Bro, look. You're supposed to clean up the bottom edge of like take your finger and like rub around there.
Rub it.
Can I get a smooth edge?
Rub it.
It's probably half dry.
Rub it.
Yeah, see? It's kind of dry.
Daddy.
Cut it.
Daddy.
You're supposed to. See it?
Tackle the piss out of it.
See that?
So basically that's the 3M tape with the brackets and the silicone on top. So it sticks. So it sticks.
Bro, and she got the fucking phone.
Oh.
Bro.
Look. Zoom in on that.
Yeah, that's thick.
Hey, wait, what did you say, Derek?
Everybody know that's thick.
He's thick, huh?
He thick. He's thick.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that's thick.
That boy is shaped like that boy. That boy got a shape. He the finest motherfucking old lady.
Expedition.
I think it look a little crooked.
You think it's crooked?
No disrespect to them, but that ain't what this is.
I think it's straight. Come on, glasses on. Great. I can see better.
Okay. Yeah, once you put the AP on there,
I
do an honorary strip.
Randy,
move
this way it get real.
I'm gonna get butt ass naked with baby oil, and I'm gonna slide on your body.
Let that.
Everybody call.
Let that.
I never said that. You should have been Janet. Don't listen to him.
We need you in the middle, so we.
I'm gonna send it.
Over a little bit.
To your right.
Come down on the right side. That's your side, Josh.
Bring it right there.
Right there. You sure?
Yep, positive.
Stick it down.
I hope it's in it.
Oh my God.
Everybody here responsible.
Like me. It's all good.
It's in it.
That's right. I'm telling you. Look at it.
Ray responsible. Ray can't even see.
Bro, it's straight. It's directly on there.
I'm want to make sure it don't bubble.
I got the Lacard in my cup. Hold on.
Yeah, it's already on there.
Lay it down, Ray.
Oh, you got a little bubble right
Don't
there.
lay it down. Don't lay it down.
Ryan been quiet all day. Oh Lord, not a dog that got your snake. Here.
Your lady ain't turkey neck? You look like she's turkey neck. Hey, them right there.
The lady next to
He over here hearing that I'm turkey neck.
Right there.
Did I tell you to do them fucking push-ups?
You gonna think you're vegan. You gonna do suicide. You do suicide.